Hi friends, before watching this video you can also refer my last video in which we have described the statistics behind the linear regression and how linear regression can be performed mathematically, and this time we are going to see how it could be coded using Python. So I have installed 3.5.2 version of Python because it supports many of the applications including machine learning as well as deep learning, and I am using PyCharm editor to use as the editor of Python here. So in the beginning of the program we are including a few of essential library files like import numpy as np. NumPy is basically a class library of Python which supports the mathematical operations on the dataset, and same as pandas give us the liberty to use import export of the dataset. So we have used panda numpy, and here in data variable we have read the data. We have imported pandas as pd, so pd dot read csv. We have given the path of the file here in the double slash because a single slash might be taken sometimes as a escape character, so it won't do the thing which we want it to do. Head brain is the name of the dataset. It This is a dataset basically describe that what is the weight of the brain and what is the size of the head. So is there any relationship between size of the head and weight of the brain? So we are printing the data dot shape. It will give us the number of rows and number of columns in the dataset. Print data head, it will simply print the column names of the dataset. As we need to compare between two variables to get the correlation using linear regression, so in x variable we are taking the head size, and in y variable we are taking the brain weight. We will take the data from the dataset and we will find whether there is any correlation or not. For that, as you have already seen in the previous video, we need to calculate the predicted value of y. So the same thing will be happen here. For that, also we need to draw a best fit of line in the regression graph. For this we need mean of x and mean of y. You know, y is equal to mx plus c is the equation of line that we have discussed in detail in the previous video. So this time, rather than statistical part, we are also seeing the coding part of this. I will put this code in the description of the video so that you can copy and paste and you can execute the same thing and you can have a better idea of that. So like this, we have calculated the intercept is equal to mean of y minus slope multiplied by mean of x, and here we are printing the slope and intercept of the line. This is calculated in the same way like statistically we have discussed. So finally we are getting a scatter plot of x and y. PLT is for the plotting of graph, and x label is head size and y label is brain weight. Plot dot scatter, the graph will be of scatter type, and this is the color labels we have given. To get the value of r square, we use the formula y predicted divided by y actual. So it has been calculated here. So statistical part we have discussed earlier. So here this is programmatical part. So finally we will get the r square value printed and plot.show will print the graph. So we will execute this program by clicking on run linear regression, the name of the file, and I believe it is executing. Yeah, so this has been executed, and here we can see that different dots have been plotted on the basis of data of the x-axis and y-axis, and when we hover over mouse we can see the value of x and y in the below right hand side on this graph window. As we move the mouse we will get the different values, and here we can see the value of slope as well as value of intercept, and the formula we have put in the code, on the basis of that r square value has been determined and it is 0.63. so it is above 0.5, so we can say that there is correlation. And what is the intensity of correlation is 0.63, that means 63% of the correlation between x and y variable, that is 63%. We can say that the weight of the brain depends on the size of the head. I will put this code in the description so that you can reuse it. Thank you so much, friends.